I heard about Vancouver general contractors through a Vancouver interior show. I went there. I was at the time shopping for finding a builder. So they had a booth there. I had a conversation with the general manager, Hussein. I said I want to have a lot of my personal involvement with during the construction. For me, it's the first time to build a house, and from concept design to build to finish, it's a daunting experience for me. But it's just very helpful. I work very closely with Vancouver general contractor. So they have designers, project managers. We had a lot of meetings back and forth, and I learned a lot from the whole experience. It's very, very helpful, also very pleasant experience. I found the value when I work with a Vancouver general contractor. It's very helpful because I'm taking a very active role in the whole process, from the concept design to the detail, interior, product selection, and then final finishing. So that's something I want to be active. The favorite part of this house, I would say, I like the kitchen design. During the construction, we were even thinking about to change the kitchen completely, to get rid of the wall kitchen. But eventually, we stick to the original plan, and then every visitors coming to my house, and then they all agree with me. The favorite part of a house, the favorite design about the house is the kitchen, because what happened is we have both a wall kitchen and a main kitchen. They connected all together, but the wall kitchen itself it's like a complete walk-in kitchen. It's very functional. I think that's the highlights of the house design. Overall, I would say the whole house was built particularly to accommodate our special requirements. So I'm pretty happy with that. When my family members, friends ask me, do you have a builder to refer to build their house? For sure, yeah, I will let them to talk to VGC, talk to Hussein.